super weird. So the live stream cut out. Not sure why it cut out on me, but very interesting. I just want to look at the website. You're not going to let me look at the website? Yeah, there we go. All right, overview. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know. 135 shares, 35 million outstanding, but I don't know it was very weird. So, no idea what happened. It cut out though. I did not do anything to turn it off. I just went poof. So, right back with you guys. If you guys are new to my live stream, then please hit the like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and put in the chat what you'd like to check out. All right. It's all good. Round 2. I feel like, ooh, CBS is down big time today. And it's not earnings, I don't believe. No, just news. All right, let's go over here. There we go. All right, I'm not gonna mess with the screens because I feel like maybe that could be part of it. All I did was log back into Thinkorswim. Maybe that's what the weird catalyst was to make it drop. Hello, welcome. I see you there. All right, so 57.87 is our point of control that we are checking out. They brought it all the way back down. Isn't that nice? Do you think that maybe they're going to buy more here? It went down even lower, so we'll keep that on watch. Let's go back over to our up gappers over here. All right. FXI, EEM, KWeb, BABA. Let's check it out. BABA. BABA's liking to bounce around. One I wanted to check on, I did mention it with Angela Miles, is RTO. It was on the list yesterday. Let's see how we did. We are hanging out, getting close. Let's see right here to that breakout zone, 24.45. So I'm going to put it right here again today. Not a lot of volume just yet, but this looks primed, just like, so it was back on September 19th that I mentioned, look at that, September 19th. I did a video for Angela Miles. Hey, watch this. This could be primed for a nice move to the upside. $14, 100% gains, right? Also mentioned RDDT at that time, September 19th, right here. Watch this. As we're breaking out, could have a nice move to it. All right, we got 13 points, so not quite as good as 100%, right? But still a nice move. So watching RTO, also Siri for longer term, right? Look at this. We've got a cup handle above 28. This looks like it could be pretty beautiful, right? Come on up, maybe head on up here, 29, 31, 33, 34, maybe all the way up there, but very rarely. Usually it hits up here at the 200 simple, so 34.65. Long-term potential picks. All right, let's check out Apple. Apple grinding higher. 15.1 billion. So since last earnings, 227.18. Oh, you know what? I forgot the point of control for BABA there. Welcome, welcome. All right, so point of control for BABA, 80.98 here. Looks like it's above for now. Oh, we said 123 million. And this is 2.39 billion. All right. JD in the house with a nice 5% again today. This is coming from the downside though. Let's see what other ones. Do we have any other amazing ones? Pinduoduo, similar. Netflix. That's right, Netflix earnings. I do caution you, my kiddos are home today, so if they just happen to get really loud, that's why, because they're home. All right, so this was after hours. All right, point of control, look at that. The biggest volume from yesterday is down at 689. Can't make that up, right here. 689.13. All right, let's go to our dropping down gappers. Looks like fun is not having so much fun. And this is a lower float, 11 million. It does have optionability. Let's put on our point of control here. Let's see if it's worth it or if it would be, no, not gonna put that one on the list. AXP. That's a pretty massive bearish engulfing. American Express. 278 for today. 278.02. Walgreens Boots Alliance. All right, 1043. We're getting close to probably down in relation to CBS, sympathetic trade there. Let's check out Zeta. Zeta's looking bearish. Let's see what happens. It might have a bit of a bounce at open. Let's see where that big volume is. Oh yeah, 29.92. Schlumberger for oil. $43.50. All right. Whoop, pardon me. Here we go. All right. Got earnings going on right at 33 exponential right there. All right, so for this one, we're gonna have to see this break on up above 53. 44.53. Point of control is hanging out right here. We have too much traffic in there. So it's got to break out to the upside or else below 43.20. Yeah. 43.20 and 44.53. Right in the middle, no surprise. All right, just check and make sure that live stream is still working for us. Craziness, it just cut out. Somebody did not like what I was saying. Boom, they cut it off. First time I really had a live stream get canceled on me. Interesting. All right, let's go to Zeta. Zeta Global, look at the rise from January of this year. It has just screamed higher, right? No idea what they do. I don't really care. The chart looks like it's got a bit of a top to it right now. Bearish top coming back to test this 28. Next area would be 26.93, 26, 24.75. So let's see for the day trade with that bearish engulfing. Our point of control for intraday. Let's put this here for 29 to the move to the upside. Or below, we'd have to go below 28.20, but we've got this here, so we'd have to go below 28. So 28 and 29 for Zeta. They sold at 29.92. Why do I say they sold? Because that's where the most volume has been traded, and we are below it. All right. Walgreens, 1043. $10.60 here. We got a small little 9 cents. Or if we go below, 10.45. Not the biggest, but could, if we break above 11.11, have a nice $2 move up to 13. All right. Guess the internet is wonky. Everybody keeps getting kicked off. All right, American Express. Not so nice until it were to get above here, 281.88. You guys having issues there? Looks like people are falling off. And 277 here. Let's see. Yeah, 277. 277 and 281.88. All right. All right, let's look at CBS. Big drop to the downside. All right, 58 and 55. Right there in the middle. All these are in the middle today. Bum. All right. You're just quiet today? All right, sounds good. Well, welcome to everyone. Seems like there might be some technical things with YouTube. I got kicked off one time. I'm here though. Came right back on. Fortunately, not the same live stream. Maybe that was the problem. They didn't like that I'd had it on the live stream. So somebody said, nope, you are not doing it today. Not on this link. Sorry. All right. Netflix earnings, big pop. Looks like a little head and shoulders here on the 5-minute. Point of control is hanging out at 731. We bring it below 77, 78, 30. Thinking in 80s. 730 and 734. Oop. Definitely below. They bought overnight, or it closed yesterday, right here. So bullish to me on Netflix. You're eyeing Netflix. Very nice, very nice. Well, if we look at it, let's see. If we were to do a measured move, right? So say 727 to 702, I'd add $25. So I'd put up to 752. If I were to be purchasing potential options, I might go out 2 to 3 weeks, 752 for the option there. After it settles down a bit, or do a spread, because the spread will allow for the premium decay after earnings. It'll sort of build that into it for you. So you can still trade it, but you're not trading just a directional that's going to have a decay of premium just on one option, because both options will decay pretty much at the same. So you have that premium built in, if that makes any sense whatsoever. All right, let's do 236.20 here. 236.20 and 237 for Apple. So the new trading software is out next week. I'm going to do a live demo. Let's see. Let's put it in here. No, here. Poll. Where's the poll? Poll. Create a poll. What day is best for a live demo of new trading software? Let's see. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. I'm not going to add Thursday because I'm not sure that I'm going to be here. So I'm going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday. So let me know. I'm going to do a live demo of that new awesome software so that you guys can see where all this big volume is. Trading with the big guys is a lot easier than going against them. I'll tell you that. As nice as it would be to correct the corruption everywhere in the world, when it comes to trading and the big money, if the big money is going to move the market, which it does, then why not learn where the big money is, right? Learn how to trade around the big money, or trade with the big money, even better, so that you are profiting here. All right, let's put it up here. 82. I'm going all the way up there, because if it can break out there, then this is going to have a bigger move. And it looks like they were positioning for the past day. So 24.28 and 24.82. Let's just inverse the numbers. 24.28, 24.82, right? We are right in the middle with 24.45. So this could have a nice move up here to 26. If we break above 26, 27, 27.60, 27.80, we could see that then we might get up all the way up here to 29. So I do like RTO on watch. If enough shorts were to get squeezed in it, then it could really have some price action. We're starting to see that the money is starting to flow in a little bit. We might have a change of tides. from September 10th, right there. So it is on watch, not super active this morning, but could be good. All right. Baba. Did you know Baba in Farsi means dad, and also in Chinese? Found that interesting. Okay, 103.50 for Baba. Point of control is right here at 102.86. So we can go to 102.80 and 103.50 there. The random fact about words for today. All right. Okay, TIGR, testing that point of control today. 801. If we close above that, we're likely going to see another move to the upside. But we do see that there was a big sell-off. Look, it went doubled in price, came back down almost to that 33. Really right here, we hit the 20 simple, and now we're starting to crawl back up. So is this going to garner the eyes of many people? We're just going to have to see. But technically, again, if we get above that 801, we're having this move. We could then test 9 pretty quickly, 950, 10, 1088, and then a nice gap up to 12. But I would not expect that to happen in one day, just like it did not happen in the past in one day. Point of control, 89. Let's put it 780 and 820. I like this more, in my opinion, to the upside longer term if we close above 801. Shorts might be getting squeezed now. All right. So let's do the indexes. The Dow, okay, so I did move this to October 1st. 422. Now it's 422 flat. Interesting. All right, so that we are above that for the quarter, right? Because we want to see what are they doing, how are they positioning their money for the quarter. Interesting, little drop down here to 430. Didn't really trade there all that much, so is that somewhere they want to go today? Let's say below 431.40. Maybe we're going to head all the way down to 430. Or above, so we got a little gap here, but I'd say it's hard to the upside. Let's do 423.30. 431.40, 432.30. All right. Earnings options trade, no good. Just go to the mall and spend some money. Yeah, they're not that good. That's true. They do tend to have premium decay, but Roger, if you were to buy, for example, say we're looking at Netflix and you were, as an example, I'm not saying go out and do this, you were to buy the 735 and you were to sell the 740, your maximum potential gain is 500, but you limit, well, less than that because whatever your cost is to get into it, but you limit your premium decay because they both decay at a similar rate. Does that make sense? So it's not like you're just having one decay, they both decay. So in a way it sort of helps. All right, Russell, point of control is at 226.92. So we'll go below 226.80 here or above 227.25. If you guys have anything that you'd like to check out, I did show you Siri, I did show you Reddit, I did show you DJT. DJT is pulling back a bit, not as interested in that today. We'll put this here, 490, 450, nice potential move up here. Or if it goes below point of control of 494.23, let's go below 494. Point of control is still at 492.69 since October 1st, beginning of the quarter. Since we don't have earnings quarterly, many times people will be looking at quarterly returns for an investment. 569.70. It has dropped. Look at that. October 1st. That has changed. It used to be at 572. Interesting. Oh. 567.90. All right. So for today, for potential day trade. Also remember, we are up on 3 out of the 4 indexes pre-market. Well, typically what we see 85% of the time, statistically, that you will see that it will return back to close. Point of control here is at 583.64. Let's pull this up on the screen so I can see it there. All right, so 583.40 here. 583.40 or 584.20. All right, anything else that you would like to see, put it in the chat. There are definitely other movers that are out there. We've got Baidu that is a bigger mover for today. We've got some other ones that are lower float as well. Let's just see here. MSTR, Coinbase. Let's see if Coinbase has a nice continuation from yesterday. They did buy off of the 4. So Coinbase, indicative of the move of Bitcoin, right? So when we see Bitcoin moving, we typically see Coinbase moving. I'd put it here at 209 to the upside or below 207.50 here. Point of control is at 208, so it's coming back to test that big volume for the day. Let's go to trip.com as well. That one has a bigger move. This one has been skyrocketing lately. I love travel. Very excited now that my girls are older to be getting into travel more. Okay, $61.99 and pull this down. 62 and 62.50. All right. Let's map out Reddit for fun. Reddit is way up above all of the big volume. Not that active today, but does look pretty good if it goes above 77.12. Look at that. Big potential there. Just needs some volume to come into it. 76.50 for potential trade to the downside. Long trade looks nicer, but it might get stuck. It might get stuck up here. 77.88. Nope, that's a nice trade. Nice 71 cents there. All right. If you all have any other questions, please put them in the chat. I'm going to finish up our poll here and poll. All right. Friday. So I will do the live demo Friday for the new trading software. What do you guys think? Put it in the chat. Do you guys want to see it during the live stream or you want to see it by itself? Maybe I'll do the live stream and then I'll do it by itself. Put it in the chat, put it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for joining me this morning. Have an amazing trading day. Card pay profit, seize those profits one trade at a time, and don't just have a good day. Have a great day.